2016 and newer Chevy Impala for brake replacement. Let's start by compressing the caliper. And let's remove the brake rotor retaining screw. Leave it sit ready. It is off. It came up pretty easy, but there are times I will recommend, if the car is a little bit older, to use the T30 bit like this and tap it with the hammer so you can move the rust out of it a little bit, and it will come out a lot easy. Now let's remove the caliper bolt here. It is a 40mm. There you go. This one on top, one at the bottom. Take it off. I'm going to compress the caliper once again with this so that the piston can be fully in the ball. You use it to like this. There it is. Well, you have the brake pads. Metal to metal, nothing left. Let's take it out. It seized, by the way. Oh Jesus. Okay. Those move freely. So now let's remove the caliper bracket bolt. It is a 21mm. Let's remove them. Use the brake pads. Okay. Make sure you guys when you buy the new brake pads, it comes with those clips, because some of them doesn't. You might have to reuse the old one, but make sure you have it up. The ideal thing is replace it. Okay, make sure you have this when you buy the brake pads. If you buy OEM, you won't have that problem, but GM sent them usually with the new pads. So now we're about to clean replace those clips and we grease the pins. Now let's re-grease those caliper pins. Now we're going to clean the space, little space here where the clip goes in. With the wire brush like this, it will work just fine. Look much better already. And clean the brake hub, the wheel hub with something with the wire brush too, by the way. You work just fine. Make sure you clean the new water because of the hose protection film that's on it. You need to remove that with the brake cleaner. That's good. That's good. Here is the new one. New pads, you come with the clip. Actually, that's not GM, by the way, that's aftermarket. I'll put the link in the comment section for the parts. So here is the new pads. You have to put them in, just like that. Here's your new pads in. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already have the caliper in place, right? I put the lower bolt, I tied the lower bolt for a reason. So to put this clip in, you're gonna need something to hold the brake pad in place, because if you don't, they have a tendency of going out from the chamber here. So you need something to hold it in place. You might even need these two person to do this, but generally you can do it with one person, one hand or two. It's fine. So we're gonna do the bottom one. They need to go in between. They need to go in between these ears here, those two ears back there. Okay. So basically, you look something like this in the end. Okay. Just like that. It's in between the ears. One on it come with two, one on top, one at the bottom, like this. I don't know if you guys can see the bottom one. That's how they're going. Their job is the entire drag clip, that's what they call them, is to push the brake pad away from the rotor after you're done using the brakes. That's his job. Okay, they have laser springs. Okay. There you go. And that's it, guys. Everything is in, all the bolts are tight. Make sure you pump your brakes before you go for a test drive. Okay, make sure you pump your brakes. It's all done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.